What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the timing chain tensioner on a first generation Mini Cooper. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. No matter which Mini Cooper you drive, check out my Facebook group. It's called Mini Cooper DIY, and if you work on your own Mini, which you do if you're watching this video, you'll like that group. I'll leave a link to it in the description, or you can just go to Facebook and type Mini Cooper DIY in the search bar. Let's get to the video. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is put your car up on jack stands and pull the passenger side tire off. If you're in the United States, driver's side. If you're in the other countries that drive on the other side of the car. But where my screwdriver is pointing right now, that is the timing chain tensioner bolt. And I'm in the wheel well. If your car is a manual, you'll see these two hoses. If not, I don't think you will. But you're just going to get to that bolt. And I'm going to show you a real easy way to get to it right now. Okay, from the top of the engine bay, you're going to take a breaker bar with some wobble. If you have one long wobble extension, that'll work. I'm just using two. But a wobble extension, the extension that's rounded on the end right here. So when you put the 19, this is a 19 millimeter, it's going to wobble. And that's going to help you get on that bolt a lot easier. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this from the top. And then I'm going to get down on the side of the car. I'm going to get the camera down there right now. And I'm going to reach in with my other hand and I'm going to put it on the bolt because you can physically see it. From the top, you really can't. Now, you guys won't have a camera in the way when you're doing it, but it's a lot easier if you don't. Alright, and when you get it on like that, just go ahead and push it towards the driver's side of the car and loosen it. Okay, once you've cracked it loose with the breaker bar, you should be able to remove it the rest of the way by hand. You might lose a little bit of oil, so have something underneath it to catch it. That's the tensioner removed. This one looks to be in good shape, but the one I'm replacing, I'm just replacing it because I have it. I'm actually going to be replacing the whole timing chain kit with an OEM replacement that's also cryo treated that I'm buying, that I already bought from SpeedTech Motorsports. I'm just waiting for it to be shipped. Okay, so now take the new tensioner and put it right back in the same hole that you just took the old one out of. And then go ahead and put the bolt right back on where you got it from. Okay, this hole right here is where it's going to slide over it just like this when you put it on. Then go ahead and tighten that up by hand as far as you can. Now to tighten it, do the same thing in reverse order. Get it onto the bolt. And you're just going to want to get it as snug as you can get it. I'll get the torque specs for you right now. The Bentley manual says to tighten the tensioner to 46 foot-pounds. Most people just say to tighten it as tight as you can. That's what I did, and that's what I'll do next time I do it. that wasn't my problem. As you saw, the person that I bought this car from actually changed it before I bought the car because he thought that was a problem too. So I actually don't know what's causing my rattle. I don't think it's the timing chain. Even though I am going to replace that anyway, I think maybe it might be the water pump or maybe something in the supercharger. I hope it's not the supercharger, but I'm just going to keep replacing everything. I was going to replace everything anyway. I bought the car specifically for this channel so I can replace everything and make how-to videos. So I'm not really worried about what it is. I'm going to replace it anyway. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next video.